Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. Our first step to do that is from main menu we must swipe up the screen and go to the settings. In it, first function connections and there our data usage, where we have our binary size and data warming. First step, we can set day when our billing cycle start, maybe first day of each month. After that, we can turn on function set data warming, and there we can set it in gigabytes, megabytes, what you want, maybe 5 gigabytes we set. And last function, we must turn on set data limit, and there we can set it in the same style as warming, maybe 10 gigabytes. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.